Hello, participants. Welcome to One and All. In 2 weeks online faculty development program, Library Professional, organized by St. Vincent College of Commerce, Pune, with association of UGC Human Resource Development Center, SPPU, Pune. I am Ratnadeep. I am going to teach you the Prezi software for the best presentation for the librarian. First of all, I am very much thankful to HRDC SPPU Pune for giving me opportunity to communicate with you and share my ideas about the software. Let us understand what is Prezi. Open any web browser and put PREZI Prezi. According to Wikipedia, the Prezi is a presentation software company founded in 2009. The software is available in English, Portuguese language and more. The software is also available in desktop version and web series. As of April 2018, Prezi had more than 100 million users who had created more than 325 million public presentations that have been viewed over 3.5 billion times in the world. It shows the popularity of users for the presentation of Prezi software. The title of FDP is Creation, Preservation and Dissemination of e-content. E-content material required a good graphic. Otherwise, it does not show the effectiveness of our content. Traditionally, we are using a Microsoft PowerPoint for the graphical representation. There is a n number of alternatives available for the graphical representation. Our brain are a hardware of a specific type of content. Research shows that 90% of information we collect from visual or eyes and two-thirds of information or knowledge gained from daily conversation. It means the visual representation is very important in our daily life. Prezi is a non-linear block zoom software, whereas the Microsoft PowerPoint is a linear software. 72% of survey respondents found two-way presentation are more memorable than linear one. Let us start with Prezi web-based software. Put URL http prezi.com. The window will pop up like it. To start a product for a free, we can choose a option try Prezi for free. It will ask a payment for $5 per month. So we can start with try Prezi for free. It have a 4 basic version: basic, individual, student, education and business. When we start for a free, we always choose a basic version and start with continue. It is free. It will ask you the first name, last name, email address and password. Whatever it is necessary, you can fill up it. When we create a first time account, use the fake account or a fake name for the trial version, and afterward you can create your own original name. Let us understand how to create the Prezi account. I am using dummy names Raju More and using a email address raju.more@gmail address. Whenever you are creating a new account for the Prezi, you always remember what is the username is your email address. Never gives the same Gmail account password for the Prezi login. After giving the permission, I am not robot, it will create a account. It is I am showing the new account of Raju More for the Prezi software. It is for the 14 days trial version. I start with Raju More account and I received a 4 option: education, business, student and other. I choose the education option for it. The new 6 option generated by the software. After selecting a college and university option, it gives me the various design of Prezi. This is the different template divided into different categories. I start from the infogram. Each template requires a new project title. I giving the my class as a project title. A project allowed me to make a changes in a given template. I able to change a font size, color of a font and the size according to my requirement. Sometimes we require a bar graph or a pie chart for a presentation. It requires a Microsoft Excel, but this software allows you to make a bar graph without Microsoft Excel and it gives me permission to change according to it. After creating a template, you can share your project by creating a URL. In report category, software provide a different useful templates for the daily life. Here I am using a resume template for the creating a resume. The software provide a template for the modern type of resume. It allows me to make changes in a given template and it provide me a facility of changing my photographs and the information of my resume. This resume is saved as a share link and you can circulate it wherever you need. Now I move towards the report template. In this ready graphical template, different types of requirements are covered. Prezi provides us a ready magazine template with impressive front page, monthly annual reports, textual reports, atom reports, and etc. You can explore it yourself. Before move to crazy slides, we can understand what is the difference between Microsoft PowerPoint and Prezi software. I am here presenting a presentation for the NAC peer team of my college. We required library layout, library sections, different photographs are present here, library staff member list, library working hours, library collections, addition of the books, library memberships, library services and facilities, specialized library services, special facilities offered by the library, ICT use for library access, library utilization, library e-resources journal and magazine subscribed, library activities, book exhibition. Now we can see such type of presentation how it represent in Prezi software with the help of Prezi software. I give the two example of these presentation on the international level. Being a librarian, sometimes we required a different types of slides to represent a library. Prezi presentation is one of the best tool to represent it. Here I present a Brunel Library of London which shows the library opening hours and website to get more information. At the time of visiting Napier team, we required a structure of library building. It have a three floor. It shows the entrance of the library and the canteen facility of the library, the librarian decks, how to get the library facility and computer facility, and computing support system. Also it shows the shelf arrangement, the financial resource suite, and the bookshelf arrangement. The third floor contains the law book library, and it shows the research common facility and special collection of the library. I am showing another example of Mount Pleasant branch library, or it shows all the information of a library on a building photographs. It contains daily working hour. It shows the book issuing system, catalog system, the introduction of librarian, and how to get a reading book, how to issue book with the library card, how to check out the book, and how to borrow the book, and the book overdue, and the renewal of the books. The return facility and return process is easily represented in it, and it shows the return book decks. The library have a computer management system, a Xerox system, and it requires some money. Library provided the Wi-Fi facility and the DVD facility. The DVDs will borrow within 7 days, and it have a attached canteen facility and dance room and listening the songs and reading hall. Previously we looked how to create a Prezi account. Now I am going to a prezi.com of website. Here the window will be pop up. Now click on a presentation and create from the templates. It will open the new area. Choose a desired template. I choose the desired template and put a name Willingdon Library or Willingdon College Library. Put a continue. Any on a web, this option is required for free version. So before using this template, I want to take a presentation or a preview. So how my presentation will be displayed. So this is the my presentation topic 1, topic 2. It contains two subtopics and pictures. In topic 3 there is a scope of a chart and timeline, and in the topic 4 I have a scope to create a conclusion. So I have a broad idea about my review. Let's begin with the slide 1, that is chapter 1. Before going to the chapter 1, I changed the name Willingdon College Library, subtitle about library. Now I click on the first topic. In this first topic, I first of all change the name of a topic, library working hour. This content taken from my old PPT. Simply use the Control V and Control C for the copy and Control V for the. Now I using the A plus and minus button for the desired font size and justification from the style window. Now the main library and study library timing, copy from the PPT and paste in a topic 1, click desired window. You have to facility to change the color of the fonts and the background of the templates. In insert menu we have a different menu, subtopic menu, my library, story block, text, image, icon. From the subtopic I choose a new window, click on a zoom in button to subtitle menu, double click for the edit and I choose the next slide which is desired to present library staff member. So the title of subtopic is library staff member, copy from the slide and paste in a present. All the information regarding the library staff is copy paste to the topic number 2 subtopic. The window will be stretched according to your choice and justify all the parameters according to your content. I change the name of subtopic as a staff. Now I take another subtopic in topic number first, the building of library. So I want to show the picture of or in photograph of building. So image is uploaded from my PC or you can browse from your library. Insert, click on insert image. The window will be pop up from your desktop and the image, uploaded image chosen from. Now you can adjust the image according to the size of circle. And change the name library building. Like this, you can create topic number 2, topic number 3, the addition of the book, the chart of the book, so on. You can make all the changes required for your presentation. The library members, regular, additional, the picture desire for the present, now I push to the topic number 3. Services of library or utilization of library, the number of books, library activities in topic number 4. If you desire to upload the PPT, you have a facility of uploading PPT, audio or video. It is in the insert menu. So when you use this website, you can easily understand how the menu bar is used. After creating a presentation, we can present how it is. Now the new presentation will be appear like this. This is the block step zooming facility. So within the one single template, we have add another template or another slide. Like this, you can create your own presentation of your library. That's it. We did not require to install any software. This total slide previous presentation created we learn about the how to create resources a 14 days trial account of a Prezi. Now I am going to teach you how to create permanent account and free account of a Prezi for a student and educationist. For this, we go to the same website and login page, give the information to create the basic account. When you want to create a permanent account, we require a institutional login email ID. Here I put my institutional login email ID ratnadipjadhav@despune.org. Give your password and create your permanent Prezi account. It requires only your institutional domain email account. You did not require to pay $5 or $15 per month for the presentation. This is my account. I prefer to present all my presentation from this Prezi Next account. Now I push towards the Prezi desktop version. Prezi desktop version is a desktop version. It's required more than 400 MB space, and it is easy and faster to process all the presentation. It requires a different account for the desktop version. Here the template box is open and you can choose templates from the template box. It also provide a facility if you don't want to any template given by the Prezi, you can choose a blank document or a blank template. I use this template for the present create a presentation. Before using the template, I want to take a preview how the my presentation will be appear. So same way I want to learn how to pop up my presentation slides. Let us create a new presentation from Prezi desktop. For this, I choose the first slide. The first slide appear. Now change the name of the desired topic. For this presentation, I choose a general topic, types of farming, subsistence farming. There is a two type of farming, subsistence and here we find a different facilities to change the font size and font colors, bold, you can align or take bullets from it. After clicking this text window, this new menu bar will be appear. So the types of farming is subsistence and extensive farming. You can move this frame from the side menu bar. Now I am giving the explanation about the subsistence farming. Sometimes we require to present our presentation in local language. That time we require a Devanagari or Kannada or a Telugu scripts. These scripts are not allowed in this Prezi software, but you can make a text into vector format and choose it. The frame will be appear like this. The frame will move from the hand like icon and zoom in zoom out from the plus minus icon. Also you can justify the frame from the side tick marks. In one slide you can put the enormous information because it gives the facility to create a new slide within the same slide. Now I am inserting a types of farming, different features. This is the subsistence farming. Most of the India practices the subsistence farming. These frames are adjustable. You can customize your frame and the name and types of frame. Here I found a bracket, circle, rectangular. I choose the circle type of frame and choose the circle color or border color as a green and insert a new image within the circle. We can also insert a video within the frame. Here I give the example of inserting a new video in the frame. It does not require, you can insert any format of video in this Prezi software. Now I move to another slide and prepare a text material for extensive farming. Insert from the image. You can insert also PPT slides in this Prezi software. Now I want to explain how much space required for the new slide. So this is the one text. In Devanagari it is called as a Malyachi Sheti, and I want to explain the picture of this particular type of farming. So I choose a smallest part of the text and create a new slide, and this slide will appear. You can adjust the slide or crop the slide from the given slide box. Also you can give the name or temp. Now this text size is also bigger. I want to insert a picture within the small dot and explain the information regarding the small dot. Now this type of farming use the harvester for the, I want to explain what is the harvester. Now you cannot see where is my slide inserted. I move to last slide. This is the beautiful picture of Himalaya, and I want to insert agriculture practice in the foothill zone of the Himalaya. So this type of farming is at the foothill zone of Himalaya. So I zoom in the slide, and in particular small river stream, near the river stream I want to paste my slide and type of agriculture. So we cannot find my last slide. Such a way you can create a presentation from PreziNext. Now I will present how it will be appear. Now video will be run. Type of harvester will be explained, and last slide I want to show it is. That's it.